Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to Reddit archive. Let's begin. On your mobile device, open the Reddit app. Once the app is opened, go to any community that you have created. Be sure that you must be a moderator on the community, else you cannot enable archive post. Now, let us click on Mod Tools. Let us scroll down. In the General tab, at the end, we will find Archive Posts. Click on it and simply toggle on the Enabled button. By toggling this button on, we don't allow commenting or voting on posts older than 6 months. Well guys, that is how you enable archive on Reddit. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.